One night in early 1981, Mr. Hill was travelling from Brisbane towards Sydney on a motorcycle. As he came around a bend on the Pacific Highway, he hit a patch of very uneven road, lost control of his bike, and was badly injured. He sued the Commission for Main Roads for negligence because of the state of the road. Now, normally, a case of this type would have no hope. There's a long authority which says those responsible for roads are not responsible for what is called nonfeasance. This means that a council is not negligent simply because they could have done more to make the road safe, but didn't do it. This rule exists as a matter of common sense. Road authorities have limited budgets, and Australia is huge. It's impossible to ensure that every kilometre of road is in top-notch condition. However, along with nonfeasance, there's a concept called misfeasance. Misfeasance occurs if the road authority knows there is a problem and does something about it, but does it negligently. In other words, roads authorities are not negligent if the allegation is that they didn't do anything at all, but they can be negligent if they carry out repairs in a negligent way. Mr. Hill argued that there was a known problem with the movement of water on this particular part of the road, and that the result was that the bitumen broke down very quickly. The water caused a phenomenon known as shoving, which created corrugations in the road. When he hit those corrugations, while he was leaning the bike into the curve, he had his accident. He argued that the roads authority had repaired the road many times, but they only patched it, even though they knew there was an underlying problem which they needed to attend to. The roads authority responded that this was nonfeasance because they had just failed to deal with the drainage issue. Mr. Hill argued that it was misfeasance because when they repaired the road, they should have done the job properly. The court found in favour of Mr. Hill. Justice of Appeals Samuels said the respondent, having acted but without grappling with or remedying the essential problem, is guilty of an actionable misfeasance. This shows that where a local council acts, but acts negligently, it can be liable in negligence. Mr. Hill won his compensation.